Good day and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2013 Mathematics Past Question 21. If a binary operation asterisk is defined by x asterisk y equals to x plus 2y. Now find 2 asterisks into brackets 3 asterisk 4. Now first of all we have to deal with the one in the brackets, which is 3 asterisk 4. Now 3 asterisk 4 from the definition given to us, which is x plus 2y, so that will be equals to, imagine 3 was our x and 4 is our y, so that will give us 3 plus 2 times 4, which is equals to 3 plus 8, which is equals to 11. Now we've gotten 3 asterisk 4 to be what? 11. Now we can now say what? 2 asterisk the brackets, and the result of the bracket is 11, so that will be 2 asterisk 11, and that will be equals to 2 plus 2 times 11, and that is equals to 2 plus 22, which is equals to 24. So the answer to this question is option C, 24. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.